Hey, what's up, my YouTubers? Let me put on my glasses. It's kind of sunny out here. Welcome to Head Savage Kitchen, aka Mr. Hands. You have to check out my other video for Mr. Hands, but today what I have in store for you, I'm going to show you how to smoke some ribs, some good, nice tender ribs that's going to take about 6 hours. And I'm going to show you how to smoke some good baked beans, and something that too many people don't do, I'm going to show you how to smoke a baked potato. So without further ado, let's get to grilling. Any can of baked beans will do. Just any can here. Let's get her opened up. Baked beans, some butter, brown BBQ sauce of your choice. Let's get all those put in a pan. Get all those guys.
Brown sugar. About half a cup. And then your barbecue sauce. You want to add about half a cup of that as well.
Stir it up. And then we're going to take this and set it on the grill. And let it do its fork, but let them smoke. Go ahead and get your grill opened up. Sit your whole pan down and sit your whole pan down inside the grill. Sit them right next to the meat. Remember, I told you I was cooking some ribs as well. And close it, let it do its thing. And we will be back to check on those beans as well in about another 2.5 to 3 hours. Dump this extra sauce in here with these beans. And give that a little stir. Alright folks, we'll be back in the last hour here.